Your phone vibrates once, no caller ID. And you don't reach for it because the signal is already understood. Across the cafe, the man stands up 20 minutes early. A deviation you log instantly as your pulse holds steady at 62. Train not to react, but his eyes linger on yours half a second too long, and that fraction is enough to confirm what your body already knows. You've been seen. 5 years ago, you were processed, not recruited. In a concrete room kept at 18 degrees with no windows and no clocks, where they asked your name until it lost meaning. And by day 5, you hesitated. By day 7, you answered with the one they gave you. And that was enough for them to mark you usable. You started at the bottom with no identity. Writing reports, memorizing faces, staying invisible. Then month 3 brought first contact. Year 1, full embed. Year 3, trust. Each step forward requiring something small, a lie held too long, a silence that cost someone else. Nothing dramatic, just compliance becoming instinct. The system never explains its rules. You learn them by watching who disappears. Reports filed at 3 o'clock. Payments routed through 3 accounts. Questions recorded but never answered. Survival
Now he walks
depending on
toward
what
you
you
with
choose
measured
not to
steps.
ask, and sits too close. 60 centimeters, controlled, precise. And when he leans in and says your real name, not your cover, not your alias, but the original, your earpiece stays silent. No handler, no protocol, just you running options in real time: deny, run, act. Each with narrowing outcomes as your hand shifts slightly under the table. In that moment, years compress into seconds, and you understand with absolute clarity that there is no extraction. There never was. The system doesn't recover assets, it replaces them. And whatever decision you make will be reduced later to a clean report with a timestamp and no uncertainty. Your file marked inactive, while somewhere else another room at 18 degrees waits for someone to hesitate when asked their name, and the system will mark them ready.